Let's look at Chapter 9, Lesson 8 review. For 1 through 5, use the table, which shows the high temperature in selected cities on one autumn day. So this is going to be the high temperatures on one autumn day. For number 1, what is the difference in the temperature between the warmest and the coolest cities? So I'm going to go ahead and find the range here, where I take the highest number and then I'm going to subtract the lowest number from it. I know that my highest number is going to be 81 minus my lowest number, which is 19. Go ahead and borrow from the 8, make it a 7. This becomes 11 minus 9, which is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So the difference between the highest and the lowest is going to be 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget your label. Number 2, what is the difference in temperatures between San Francisco and New Mexico? So San Francisco is 47, and New York City is going to be 54. And I know 54 is going to go on top because it's highest and I'm subtracting. Go ahead. You're going to borrow from the 5 and you're going to make it a 4. This becomes 14 minus 7, which is going to be 7. 4 minus 4 is 0, so it's 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3, what is the difference in temperature between the two warmest cities? I know that the warmest city is going to be Honolulu, which is 81 degrees. And then the next warmest city is going to be 71 degrees. And to find the difference, I'm going to subtract it, and I get 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4, I have what's the difference between the two coolest cities. And I know that the coolest city is going to be San Francisco, which is 47, and Anchorage, Alaska, which is going to be 19 degrees. And go ahead and subtract it. I need to go ahead and borrow from the 4 and make it a 3. This becomes 17 minus 9, which is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2, so I know it's going to be 28 degrees Fahrenheit. The day after these temperatures were recorded, the temperature in Dallas was 87. How many degrees warmer was Dallas than it had been the day before? So I had 71 and 87. 87 goes on top because it's the highest number when I subtract, minus 71. 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. 8 minus 7 is going to be 1. So I know it was 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure that you have your units. We're going to complete the magic square and then write the sum. So first off, let's find how much the sum should be, and I can find it by going ahead and doing the diagonal for number 6. And I know that 7 plus 13 is going to be 20, plus 10 more is going to be 30. So now I need to make all of the lines add up to 30. Let's go ahead and do the middle row where I have 10 plus 6 is 16, plus 14 more would be 30. Do the middle column. 12 plus 10 is 22, plus 8 more is going to be 30. And let's go ahead and do the other diagonal where I have 9 plus 10, which is 19, plus 11, which is 30. Make sure that you add 7 plus 12 plus 11 to get 30, 14 plus 9 plus 7 to get 30, and then 9 plus 8 plus 13 to get 30. Check all of your answers. For number 7, I have 6 plus 12, which is 18, plus 18 more is going to be 36. I added the diagonal to get my sum. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the top row. 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 20 more would equal 36. Going down on the first column, I have 6 plus 16 is going to equal 22, plus 14 would go ahead and equal 36. In the last column, 10 plus 18 is going to be 28, plus 8 more would equal 36. Use these strategies to fill out number 8.